Hey, Uncle Nudge here. Well, I've been working on my stretcher and basically got it done. Got some nice smooth handles and a bunch of different interlocking chain. And these ends are for when you put something really heavy on, it squeezes these poles together. So I come up with this, and that keeps them apart a little wider than our hips. And then these just come right off. So you can either use them or not, or if a pole breaks by chance, it's just easy to replace. Okay, same thing with the chains. They're just they'll just be bolted on, but I'll have some tools. And then I have some chains to go over the top to kind of secure it down in case we fall. It'll stay on there. So I'm gonna load it up here. I've already tested it. Plenty strong. All right, I got it loaded up pretty good. Probably 150 pounds or so. Maybe a little more. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a lift here. Oh yeah, nice, super sweet. So yeah, I'm real happy with this. I think it should work good. I'll have 3 extra poles, some extra chain, tools, and whatever else I can think of. And we'll videotape the whole thing. It's going to happen. So, sweet. Uncle Nudge, see you later.